y'all? It's Panda Man, and boy is it cold out here. It's supposed to get to the teens tonight, so I think it's time I make the new tea machine. If you look right here, you'll notice it's gone. I still have the little memorial, but I took it apart for some more parts for this, so let me show you the new one. Okay, so this is the new one. It's mostly 3D printed except for the spoon and the electronics, of course. So basically, there's an Arduino and battery and stuff in this box, and when I flip this switch, the servo goes up and down in the code for about 3 minutes, and then it does this really loud beeping noise. It's kind of annoying, but it really helps you know when it's done. And it does this really loud beeping noise that's kind of annoying. So there's that. Comes out of the speaker right here, and that's just hooked into the Arduino. So, a little bit about the design before I show you how I made it. It's standing on these 4 little feet right here that I printed separately, and they're just glued in. They fit around the corner pretty nicely. And then this post right here is part of the original print and cut off right here because there was a big rectangle open right there, and I didn't want to put support material in there because I had to make the servo fit, and the support material likes to cling on sometimes. So also, this right here is called a 4-bar linkage because it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 bars, and that keeps this end vertical the whole time while it goes up and down. So, back here, I have the spoon screwed on with 1 single screw and a nut, and then I have this right here that the tea bag is wrapped around, and then the tea bag loops around here and goes to the end of the spoon, where the spoon goes up and down and dunks the tea bag. So now, here's how I built it. All finished. Time to get some tea. always tastes better when it's made by a robot. So, that's the end of this video. Like it if you liked it, subscribe for more, and see ya. Cheers!